Testing. Hello. Yeah, I'm back to work on Jump Juboa. Okay, let's get things done. So I worked on some ads related stuff yesterday. Now you know what? I think I want to replace one of the sound effects. Let's see. I want to replace the sound effect for when I enter the door. Let me just have a listen to how it sounds like now. Yeah, let's change up the sound effects a little bit. There's a sound effect that sounds a little bit like an explosion, so I think I want to replace that with something else. Is it this one? Door touch? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Can I replace it with something else? Let me bring out my tools folder. Gonna be running Laptop. Oh, I have to pause the audio for a bit. Let me lower the volume so it doesn't go too loud. Let's see, when I touch the door, if I don't want that loud explosive sound, what can I do? Magic? It's a bit loud in it. Hang on, let me lower the volume. Okay, what if I lower the frequency? I think I'll try this. Let's export this. Wait, how do I export this? I forgot. Oh, there we go. Export wave, let's try that. What the? Normalize. Try and make it sound a little bit softer. Hello, Kalazor, what's up, man? What's up? You're happy with the fire? Oh, that's cool. You have it? Are you able to show it? Oh, I see it now. Very nice. Very nice. Excuse me. Excuse me. Am I at the right project? Oh, there we go. It is. I'm at the right project. Let me overwrite door touch. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. To replace this. Let's try this. Object-based particles, so it's very easy for you to edit the stuff. Cool, cool, cool. Do you have to make a pool? It seems to lack a bit of punch. Lacking a bit of punch. Let me think about this. It's lacking a bit of punch. Punch. I need to bring this up again. An object pool. You know, if you are spawning a lot of stuff, it may be worth considering not calling instance create all the time, but rather using instance activate and deactivate instead. But probably you should only consider that if performance becomes a problem in the future. But if it's okay now, then no worries. No worries, man. There was a point in time where I was pretty concerned about not using a pool in serious scramblers. Like because I was spawning like object-based particles, right? Like you have, and all I'm doing is I'm instance creating them and then instance destroying them, and uh, I was wondering if that would affect the performance of my game, but it turned out that it didn't. Like it's still very smooth. So maybe I was worrying over nothing. Or maybe it only becomes a problem once you exceed a certain threshold. So it's hard to say. Oh, what's this music? And it looks very good, by the way. That fire effect. What do you have in mind? Where do you intend to use that effect? Electronic burst. Let me try this. Wow, my ears! God damn it! For the bullets in games, how enemies usually have red bullets and players usually have orange ones. Ah, I see. Color coding the bullets. That's cool. My goodness. Give me a moment. Excuse me. Oh hey, thanks for the follow, Caspi TV. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Ah, my ears. Call is not following. Hey. How's everything going? Hello, Lurking! Programming dog, yeah. How's it going, man? Okay, I want that little bit of punch at the beginning. Let me mix it. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Dropping by before you go to sleep. Ah, okay. Have a good rest, man. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. Da, 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 da. What music is that? What's this? Alright, excuse me. Let's try this. Oops. Making some adjustments because I got feedback that some of the sound effect that happens, you know, that I play when I walk through the door, it doesn't sound particularly positive. So I'm tweaking it a little bit because it sounds too much like the sound that I play when you get hurt or when you die from touching the spikes. So I'm gonna change it up a bit. I guess that kind of works. I feel like I need to flash the camera a little bit more, you know. Let's see. Let me go to my horrible FSM. Na, 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 na. There you go. It's this one, isn't it? Let me flash it for like half a second. Yeah? See how this feels. Hello! Hello, Paila. How's it going, man? How's life treating you? I don't really feel the flash. Let me try again. I don't feel the flash. Not productive game dev wise, but you're exploring on going to data science. Oh! Data science. So how's that going? Mr. Chinas Kinas. How am I doing on this exquisite day? I'm doing great. How about you, Captain Blade? They consider going to Lethan Academy to see if can make use of the Skills Future scheme. Ah, I see. I've not heard of Lethan Academy. Yeah, I think the flash is a lot more obvious now. Let's see, you're doing good too. Being lazy and not uploading your build. Yeah, we all feel that way sometimes. Okay. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Let me bring up my to-do list. It's a moment, eh? You're gonna do it now so you can't procrastinate. That's great. I just need to work on the dynamic music. Okay, I'm going to fix a particular issue with the game. I have this issue. Let me see. I have this issue with binary blocks. Just a moment. Oh, let me bring my tablet. Probably should make the page look better, to be honest. I see. What pitch? Are you talking about the itch.io page? Okay, I'm gonna fix some issue with the binary blocks. So based on feedback, right, I have made the binary blocks like less, a bit more lenient in that, you know, when the binary blocks become solid when you're inside, by right it's supposed to kill you, but I make it such that it only kills you if you're inside this block for like 5 frames and above. Only then would it kill you. The problem is that I think the way I coded it, it will only ignore collision with that one block that is currently overlapping with the player, which means that if I were to jump while in this state, right, and it's lesser than 5 frames, like I've only been overlapping for like lesser than 5 frames, what's going to happen is that I'm going to hit the top of this second block, and it makes it look super weird. So what I should have done is to make it pass through all of these blocks, right, 1 to 5. So I'm going to look into how to do that. I'm going to look into, like, you know, I'm going to check out my code and see if I can fix that and make that happen. Okay, prototype page for each. I see what you mean. Let me get a drink of water. Excuse me. Thing, how should I do it? Okay. Let me think. Upload it and make the page blue. Best design ever. Alright. I'm gonna check it out in a bit. Maybe after I fix this one thing, I'll check it out. Binary block. Only if I want to. Oh, I do want to. I want to do it. Let's see. Hey, no problem, man. I forgot how I coded this, so I just need to do a quick look through of my code. There we go, this is the one. This is the one. Let me think, how should I do this? Excuse me. Ticks. I have to think about this for a bit. Probably should have planned this beforehand. Ticks. Oh no, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Collision. I need to determine when's the good time to ignore collision. Can I ignore all collision with binary blocks? Can I do that? So I should let the player do the counting, right? Rather than letting the blocks to do the counting. See, the way I coded it is just didn't account for that. Let's refactor this, I guess. Let me think. Overlap player, I have this function here. I set the mask to turn it solid. Or I can make it such that there is only one collision mask that is shared by all of the binary blocks. I can do that. I can do that. Oops, excuse me. How do I do this? What am I trying to do? Oh, sorry, let me explain. I'm trying to visualize in my head how I should go about coding it. I think the problem is I do the collision detection with the player right inside the block rather than the other way around. But let me run it and I'll show you what I'm trying to fix. Oops. Oh, my mouse going haywire. Okay. There we go. Say take a look at not this. Take a look at this level. You notice there's a lot of this binary blocks, right? So the thing is, I added something to the game such that the blocks doesn't immediately kill you if you're inside it when it turns solid. You have to be inside the solid block for 5 frames or more before it kills you. But now I have problems like this. Take a look. Okay, bad demo. Ah, freak. That's a bad demonstration. Eh? Damn it. When I want it to break, it refused to break. Ah, do you see that? You can see that I'm hitting the block at the top, right? Okay, now I didn't do that. You see that? I want to avoid this problem. So yeah, so I need to code that in. But I don't really want to like refactor too many things. So what is the easiest way for me to fix this? You encountered that but forgot to report it. Ah, right. Yeah, it has been bugging me for a while. But I didn't like get to fix it until now because I think I've like fixed, like I think most of the stuff I need to work on is done, right? So I'm just like picking off the remaining stuff. So I need to fix this. I just need to think about how to fix it. I've thought about combining the hitboxes, but that seems unnecessarily complicated because I have to find like the surrounding neighbors, and I have to merge the hitboxes. Yeah, that seems unnecessarily complicated. I think I will not try that. That's a good way of doing it. Maybe the ticks, right, should be inside the player. Yeah, that's what it should be. Let me try. You know what, before that, let me just commit my work. Because there's a chance I will break something. I can disable the collision for a few frames before it solidifies. Yeah, I disabled the collision for that one block that the player is colliding with, but not the block above. You know, that's the problem. So I need to write the logic a little bit differently. I can disable it for all blocks in the entire world, in the entire level. I'm a little bit scared that that might bring up like certain side effects that I don't want. It's a few frames, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Right. Well, I guess, but I cannot like disable it globally for everything. Because there are enemies that walk on those blocks as well. So I have to disable in other ways, and I guess that's what I need to. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Let me just commit this. So new door enter effect, new door enter sound effect, WIP add controller. I more or less have the flow for interstitial add done, which is a good thing. Now I need to do rewarded ads, which is trickier. Rewarded ads is trickier. This is not like Serious Scramblers. Serious Scramblers, it's very the design for rewarded ads is very simple, right? Just, you know, oh, that's where you die. Would you like to continue from that point? But I cannot do this. I cannot do it like that for Jump Jerboa. It has to be designed differently. Which also means that I need to do localization pretty soon. Oh man, I need to set aside budget for that. It's not that big of a problem. Oh, you mean this binary blocks thing? Yeah, but since I'm mostly done with other tasks, I might as well fix this. But if fixing it is a bit too troublesome, and I don't want to refactor the code, then I might leave it. We'll see. It should be fixable. I just need to think about how to change my current code. I could make the player not collide with any blocks for a few frames. That might cause we'll see. We'll see. I'm actually going to try that in a moment. I think I'm doing like too many things inside the player. Look at all these variables that they should be handled differently in other systems, I feel. Too late for that now. Let's see. Tick. This song bang. Yeah, man. Party. Party. It's called Flashback by Tiasu. Excuse me. Oh, it's actually 3 ticks, not 5 ticks. Is this music not copyrighted? It's I can play it on stream without issue, apparently. Yeah. I guess they have gotten the license issue settled, so it's okay. For use on stream, it's fine. Yeah, but probably not for other purposes. Am I actually removing the hitbox? Why did I do it in such a weird fashion? Oh, does the music appear in the VODs? Yeah, it appears. It's definitely in the videos. It's pretty fancy as well. Yeah. I have to play it through the Presser Rocks player, of course. Yeah, I have to play it through here. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Let me check this. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I actually turned off the... Oh, crap. I actually turned off the hitbox. It's a weird way of doing it. I could have just make like do something about the collision response, but I guess my collision response code is a little bit too messy. I don't want to touch it, right? Yeah, that really brings to mind, for my next project I'm going to rewrite the entire collision. Pistol player does not collide with block. As a hack, I can remove the mask of the block on top as well. I guess I can do that. You know. But it's a very specific hack. I can either do that or I can have them share one giant hitbox. Let's not share one giant hitbox. Let me just. What I can do is during collision response, I check if there are collision. I check if there are colliders. No, I check if there are binary blocks or not. I think that's what I can do. You know what? Let's just handle it in the collision response. Yeah, but the collision response code is it's pretty volatile, I feel. Let me just comment this away. Yeah, I need to handle a few things. Do I need this? Let me take this away. Get rid of them and rewrite them, I guess. This is me turning the hitbox back on. Yeah, but I think rather than turning the hitbox on and off, I'm just going to handle it at the collision response. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this first. The max tick, all the stuff I can turn it off. Okay, it should still work. It's just I don't have that leniency from the binary blocks anymore. Don't have that anymore. Right. Then I'll add it in. Hello Amanda! Buying bread with mom, I see. What am I working on? I'm trying to do something about the collision with the binary blocks. There is an issue there that I want to fix. Let's see. So I think there's no more leniency, so... Oh freak, what just happened? Oh yeah, because I I stopped killing the player, right? That was amazing. I stopped killing the player. Let me just kill the player. It's this one. For now, let me just kill it straight away. Let's kill the player straight away. For now, I'm gonna fix it in a bit. So, okay, let's see. Yeah, the Jabal has gone into an alternate dimension, that's right. Got sent into the next dimension. Basically, if you thread the needle and jump right after the blocks, you solidify, you hit your head. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to fix. Yeah, thanks for explaining it to Amanda. There's some collision issue basically. They say meow. Why? Why? I'm a dog. I don't say meow. I say bow wow. Ah, freak. What the? What the? What the freak? Oh, right. Ah, damn. Of course. I only kill it. I only kill player when it turns solid. Oh, goodness. What am I doing? Hilarious. I need to do it here. Must greet him with meow. Teleported into the Shadow Realm, Jubua. Yeah. Hey Josiah. Hey Josiah. Can you hear me? Come on Josiah. Ask for more food from Amanda. Yeah, I think there's no more leniency. What the? Feels like it's still there for some reason. Yeah, it's still there. What the frick? What's going on? Overlap player. Let me check the function. I don't get it. I don't get it. Blinked at me. Hello. Everything's broken. Yay! Let me reset the let me get rid of this. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bit weird. Cat Overlord. Oh no. Yeah, that was weird. You see that? That was super weird. I think it's the order of events. Something about order event. That's why in my next project I'm going to control the entire game loop myself. I think. I sometimes I forget like which event comes first, you know, in Game Maker. So it's sometimes it's a bit hard to keep track. Let's see. It's like user event. When does this happen, right? When does this happen? I'm just gonna stare at this for a bit. Just gonna stare at this. What? Hello, thanks for the follow. NC 13, thank you. User events happen when you tell them to happen. I don't think it happens the moment you call event perform. I don't think it happens like that. Like there is a specific order of a sequence of events, right? There is the begin step, then there is the step, and then there's the end step, and then sometime before or after there is the collision event, the collision callback, and then you know there's the user events and stuff. So they don't happen when you call them, and that's probably what's causing this like one very peculiar issue that I have. Wow, 384 points. Okay, let me just... You can redeem Serious Scramblers if you haven't already. Wow, 1,867 points. That's quite a bit. Okay, don't know what I should do. Let me see. Yeah, you can go to the store. There's the, you know, at the bottom of my page, there's a link to the store. Oh, there's no command. You have to click on the link. There's a particular link below under my description. Should be able to find it. Ah, there we go. Let's see. I don't like looking at this code. Okay, let me clean this up. Ah. Oh yeah. I still have no idea what's causing that, you know, that sound to play twice. So weird. Yeah, I have no idea what's causing it. So weird. Guess I can just say it's a feature, you know. It's a feature. It gives you a Steam key. Yeah, and then you can claim that key in your Steam client. I'm scamming myself? What do you mean? Yeah, it's okay because once it has been properly claimed, the next time I upload more keys, right, I'm going to double the current cost. Yeah. I'm gonna double the cost every time it's been like fully claimed. Times it by 10. I suppose it's a very cheap game though. It's like, how much is it? 199. It's like 199, you know. I'm not losing much, to be honest. Okay, I need to. Oh. Every time I hit a wall, I need to check if it's. I need to check if it's a binary block. It shouldn't be too expensive, right? I don't think it should be that expensive. Yeah! There we go. There we go. So how many keys do I have left? 2? There we go. Thanks for claiming it. Woo! Yeah, it's limited amount, that's right. It's limited. Sorry, I need to... I need to think about how to do this. Ah, goodness. See, I shouldn't be doing the collision detection and the response in a single function. I should have separated them. Just makes things a bit harder to handle. You buy it normally? Oh, you don't have to, right? Just play the game. I appreciate that you're claiming it. You can support my next game. But thanks. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks, Captain. I appreciate it. Apologies, yeah? I'm kind of just staring at my code, wondering what to write. I don't know, man. This is why I want to separate my detection and my response for my next project. I probably shouldn't have have the enemies and the player use the same function for movement. Right now it's so difficult to do this one specific thing. Put yellow gear for sale for $200, you'll buy it. Always glad to support. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you. John donated $5 to Grumpy Boy. Wow. Grumpy Boy. How should I do this? How should I do this? I've been thinking for the past half an hour, I think. No progress. When America unblocks PayPal in your country. Right. For Steam, you have to buy gift cards. Wow, that's interesting. PayPal takes a big cut when receiving international payment. Oh, is that so? Damn. Okay, fine. Let me just write a very specific hack in there. If this is my monster function, it's super ugly. specific behavior between player and between player and. Oh, hello Lai, hello. It's the Paul typing thing. Hello Lai, how's it going? Have you settled your sound design stuff? Brain farting from work. Happens. Okay, let's see. There should be an early out, right? Here, there should be an early out. So if the object, if the calling instance is not a player, this whole thing will not be executed. So I have this. I'm going to got put on hold, you're busy fixing some other side stuff. Ah, I see. Oh god, the code. It's not good. Josiah becomes the ruler of the galaxy, you wanna be on his nice side. This is not good. This is not good. It's not good. Not good. Check index. It's player n and wait, how do I check if a particular object is Wait, let me think. Ah, okay, it's fine. Object index equals to no, actually this wouldn't work because the object index would be either binary block transparent or binary block solid. How do I F1? Get parent? Object is ancestor. I guess I can do a get parent. Get parent would give me the index of the object to check. I guess I can do that. So I can do like a get parent object get parent. I'll do this. Freaking terrible. I'm going to do some tests first, right? It has one S. Oh, Josiah, I see. Okay, let's test it out. Oops, sorry. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Yeah, my question is why is it not? Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Can I get a string object get name? Let me print this. Print this. Head off to eat. Oh, okay. Have fun. Beginning of that song? I wasn't paying attention. What was that song? Chip Zale! Wow! What? It's all undefined. What the hell? Why is it undefined? Come on! Means it's got no parents, right? That's why it's undefined, right? Chipzale is Poggers. I agree. I absolutely agree. Love her work. Why is it undefined? Oh! Object index. That's what I need to do, right? Your favorite electronic composer is Serial? They have some pretty awesome music. Ah, okay, I'll go check it out. Serial. Oh, freak. Cree? Creo. Ah, I see. Thank you. Creo. Like Oreo. Creo. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get parent. Creo is second favorite. Good. Okay, let's test if this works properly. Hello, it says hello. Ah! 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 Turn it off. Hello world, I am bugged. Okay, I managed to identify the pair. I haven't really think this through, but if I can identify that the collision pair is a player binary block pair, then I can do that very specific response. You put random letters in. Ah, pins and needles. Ah, my leg, my leg. Ah, pins and needles. Ah, goodness. Ah, that'll teach me to not stretch. Goodness. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just need to get the blood flowing. And I put the frame of the game so you can see if it's progressing. Put the frame of the game. What do you mean? Oh, I see the frame number. Right, right. Right, sometimes I do that too. I just need to figure out the what if you know, just as a test, right? I don't do any collision response if it is a player binary pair. Let's see if it works, shall we? So basically I can do something like this. What if I do this, you know? I think I will just walk through every single binary block. Sometimes it has to show a message every frame and it fills the debug console so you can't release. Yeah, I agree. You're right. Yeah, sometimes I print out the time variable. You are absolutely right. Let me turn off lecture. You know, I'm done grading. I haven't really gotten around to celebrating. I should celebrate. Play something. Play some Doom 64. Okay, let's see. Hey, I'm not walking through them. Oh, I'm not walking through them because... Oh, freak. I'm not walking through them because the player is handling the turning around. Right. But I think that means... Crap. Let me think. Look at that, that's so weird. If I don't resolve penetration about the x-axis, this happens. That is weird. I need to test it in a separate level. Hang on. You be down for Doom? Yeah, man. Doom. I recently got Doom 64 for like $1. Just thinking of playing that. I played a few levels already. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Noise basically free, I know, right? What an absolute steal, man. Ah. What if I do this to both X and Y? Going to break it completely, right? It just falls through the... It just fall... Oh, wait a second, I have a separate thing going on here. No wonder... Give me a moment. Actor Act T. There you go. We actually need actor in there. So Act T will do. Oh, never mind. Let's do this. It's hard to replicate as well. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, it sucks. It's okay. If I break this code beyond repair, I can just revert. I've already pushed my stuff. Yeah, I'm going to code my collision differently. Next time I'm going to use swap AABB, right? I'm going to use that particular collision detection in order to identify like from which direction I'm hitting a box. And then I'll be able to resolve the collision accordingly. I'll do that, and I want to separate the detection and the response. Yeah, I don't want to do everything inside a single function. You have a pretty basic animation bug where the player will go into the attack state and it will keep the frame it was in before. Which was confusing because you had implemented something to prevent that. After hours of scratching your head, you managed to replicate it by sticking next to a wall and attacking after 2 walks. Right. Long story short, you have forgotten to uncapitalize a letter. Bravo. Bravo. Actor Actee. Like that. Now I'll get rid of this. Then I'll paste this. Just doing a little bit of something. Then I'll do it here as well. It's terrible. It's war. This part is definitely like very hacky, this part. Woo! Just give me an idea. I can make like a gel-like, object for my next mechanic. Woo! Ghost Jerboa, yeah man. What I don't understand is why it doesn't just pass through. Why does it do that weird thing? You see that? Oh, I think it's because it's stuck in the wall jump state. Oh, freak! Wall jumping state. Oh, damn it. The code is in the player. Oh man. Oh man. Starting to feel like fixing this is a bloody pain. Right, so even though I'm not doing the collision response, like I'm not doing the I'm not resolving the penetration. What's happening here is that the player still recognizes that it's hitting a wall, and that's why I'm inside. I got into a wall clinging state. So that means I have to write another piece of code there in the player. Oh my bloody god. Anyway, this is just testing, right? So I have to remove this check. Let me think about this. The idea is I don't want to register any collision. Oh wait, hang on, let me put this back on first. 1, 2. Turn this back on first. I need to go to level 00 and test how it looks. Alright. Oh! What? What's that? Why haven't I seen that before? Doesn't look like today is a productive day. Okay, let's see. Why? What's this? What the hell is this? Tower cross? Hang on, hang on. Oh, whoops. I'm sorry. Forgot I had that put there for testing stuff. Bum 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 bum. Come on, compile, come on. Oh wait, I need to go to 0, 0. There we go. Whoa, look at that. Woo! Woo! Look at the lighting. Woo! Goodness. What's up, Kalazo? Excuse me. Am I going back? No, no, I'm trying to fix something, so I'm trying to tear down tear down a few of my implementation in order to fix one problem. Thought the game was basically done. Yeah, I mean, there's this one issue that I really want to fix, so that's what I'm looking at now. Yeah. But in order to fix it, I have to tear down a few things. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, there we go. Okay. I can ignore the collision, but this state machine still treat it as a war, so I have to write something there as well. Okay, let's think about this. How do I do this? How do I do this? hang on. Okay. Thing then. Missing. Player has this thing called Galactic. Oops. Crap. There we go. It's less than 3 frames should be enough. 3 frames. Okay. See if this works properly first. I mean, see this compiles properly first, and then I will have to write one more logic somewhere. Hey, why am I back here? Oh wait, hang on. Okay, okay. Ooh, pass through. Okay, there you go. No wait, my logic is completely wrong. Let me think. I should have thought about this beforehand. Is this chip 0? It sounds like chip 0. There we go. anything. Ignore. Okay, I'll set to ignore when the player is caught in the solid. Okay, let me think. Terrible. Excuse me. So that'll allow me to do things as per normal, but I want to do this part where the block is a bit more lenient when it comes to the collision thing. Yep, I need to fix that. Okay, so just need to make it such that this one will work properly. Now I have to go to checkout player. Excuse me. Binary blocks. Binary block. Let me think. Okay. Okay, I think what I can do is excuse me. What I can do is this ignore. If the ignore binary block collision is set to true, I will just keep incrementing the frame. Incrementing the tick, sorry. I might make it a little bit more lenient. I think three frame might not be enough. Overlap test. I need to remove this, that's right. when I overlap the player, immediately set the flag to true. Oh, terrible. Okay, no. Oh. Terrible. Okay. If I'm overlapping, I set it to true. And I guess, hang on, let me check what Q player actually does. Alrighty then. I'll give the responsibility of like killing itself to the player. Player should kill player. Let's try 5 frames. Something like that. But that reminds me, I need to change something in the movement. Should remove this. When do I ignore the collision pair? When this flag is true. Which means once I kill the player. No, which means no, what am I doing? Hang on. I don't kill the player straight away. Right, I do this check. If no, the logic is wrong somewhere. Brain not working, I think. Brain's not working. Place meeting. Excuse me. There might be some order of events problem here, I think. Oh, Albert, hello! How's it going, man? Thanks for dropping by. I'm having a little bit of a... I don't know what you call that. Brain stoppage. Brain's not working. Brain's not working. Brain freeze. Take a breather. Yeah, soon. It's almost dinner time. It's almost dinner time. Brain fart. Yeah, I guess so. This music is pretty sinister. What's that? Dungeon Mans. What? Mans? The hell is a mans? Dungeon Mans. Pretty epic music though. Hot pot was nice. Josiah also had his dinner and it's lying in his box. That's great. Everyone's happy. Do I even need to have this ignore collision? Do I even need to have that? Do I even need to have this boolean? I think I need this. Overlapping. Did I figure it out? Nope, I have not. I'm just going to, for my next project, I'm definitely going to adopt a different structure, different architecture. I feel like I'm missing something, you know. Oh right, yeah, I am missing something. There you go. Let's try this. Set the counter. if I resolve the collision properly, right, I shouldn't be colliding with the block consecutively for 2 frames. Seems to work properly, right? I think it's working. I think it's working, but I'm not super sure. What if I change this to 100 frames? Excuse me. Why is it behaving like that? Oh right, because of the Walkling. Right. Because of the Walkling encode. Got it. Okay, let's handle the Walkling now then. FSM. This FSM was written like before Struck was supported in GameMaker, so I think I probably should rewrite this at some point. Walkling, there we go, to Walkling, this is the one. I need to rewrite this function. To Walkling, there we go. Instance, let's call it a war. Josiah came back into the room. Hello Josiah, meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Instance instance place. Meow 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 meow. You can't. Oh no. Doesn't want to watch the stream. Wants to sleep. Alright. Have a good sleep. Missing Sing. It's a nice life, just sleep and it is. It is a nice life. Oh, what was I gonna do again? Oh right, let's do this. Sleeping on your bed, it didn't even go to his own bed. Share the bed, I guess. get parent. Wait, do I need to do a object index? No, I don't need to. Do I? Okay, I'll do an object index here. Like that. Alright? Was object index. I'll get the parent, so I'll get the parent object index, which is this. If it is this, and no, this is a bit. I don't want to put everything in one line. I want to put everything in one line. Hang on. Oh, let's see if this works. So I put like 100 frame tolerance, right? 100 frame threshold. I'll turn it to 5 later. Why do I need to get the index of the wall? The object index? No, the object index is just, you know, like the name here. So I know what kind of wall it is. Because in this game there are different kind of walls. There's the, you know, the base wall, which is the stuff that you collide against, right? As you walk on the floor, the wall and whatnot. Those are known as O_wall. But there are other walls, other types of walls. The binary block is a kind of wall as well. So I am trying to see if the wall that I'm colliding against, right, is a binary block or not. That's all there is to it. So I'm basically trying to identify the type of wall. See, I can pass through it now. Yay! Freak. Wait, something I don't understand is why can't I hold on to jump? What? I can only do a light hop. What the hell? I can't hold. Okay, there's something in the FSM that is checking if I'm colliding on this against the ceiling or something. I need to fix that as well, otherwise it's going to feel so weird. Yeah, it's a less obvious problem this time around, but it still needs to be fixed because it wouldn't feel good. It will not feel good to the player if they trigger the problem. But I think I can fix this one off stream. I can fix it off stream. Time to redo it. No, it's not worth the effort to redo it. Or when the project is like so close to completion. Yeah, it's a trap, you know. It's a kind of trap that people tend to fall to. It's one of the reasons why I haven't finished like a lot of my projects in the past. It's because I fell to this particular trap. Oh no, I need to write better implementation, you know. So I keep doing that over and over, and then the project is just never done, I guess. I think at some point you just have to say, oh, you know what? No, I just want to get it working. Why do I have this here? Huh? I wonder if there's a way to print the enum as a string. I wonder if there's a way to do that. Is there an enum function? Bum, 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 bum. Whoa, 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 what is this? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What? What? I'm just trying to check the implementation of this. Why is my entire GameMaker lagging? Ah! Okay, there we go. What the hell is this? Oh, Yellow Afterlife. Oh, it's from GM Life. I see. Of course it's from GM Life. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So I guess GML GameMaker doesn't have any helper functions for that. It's okay, I'll fix this off stream. It's dinner time, so I need to get dinner. Let me do a recap. What I've done today, not too much, but there's this particular issue that I have to fix, which is the sound effect for when I walk through the door, right? It needs to be changed. So I changed it earlier, so it doesn't sound like an explosion. Sounds like something different. Let me just show it. So if I walk through the door, you can see. Alright, the sound is different now, right? The sound is different now. It's clear that it's not a negative thing that is happening when you walk through the door. So that's done. And then basically what I'm trying to fix now is some collision with the binary blocks, right? So originally I intended there to be some kind of a threshold. So like the thing is, if you jump while inside this transparent block, it's supposed to kill you, right? But I don't want it to be too punishing. So I make it such that it will only kill you if you stay inside for like a few frames. And that's what I'm trying to do, but while implementing that, right, previously there was this particular bug where while you're still within that 5 frames of invulnerability, if you were to jump inside here, you will actually hit the block above, right? You'll bounce off the block above. It doesn't look good. So I was trying to fix that. So it's I would say it's half fixed. Alright, there's still one issue that I need to take care of, and once I'm done with that, it should be fine. Yeah. Just beat this level. Oops. There we go. Yeah, and that's it. I think I will call it here. I'll call it here. Thanks everyone for hanging around. Thanks Amanda. I shall have my food. And yeah, I need to get my food, so I guess I wouldn't be raiding. But thanks everyone. Yeah, I'll be back again to work on my game very soon. Since it's currently the school holidays, I don't have to go back to work as much. So hopefully I'll be able to focus on finishing Jamchoboa. Alrighty then, see you all, bye bye.